Where were you on New Year's Day 10 years ago, in 2009? How old were you? What were you doing that day? Do you know? Well, I know what I was doing because I took this picture in Walnut Creek on New Year's Day 2009 in the morning. Now, what am I doing taking a picture like this on New Year's Day, and why am I showing it to you, and what the heck is a CR2 file? We'll talk about all that later. For right now, what I want you to do is to download this file. And, you can click this and open it up in a new tab. Or you can right-click it and look, download linked file as. If you're using Chrome, it says save link as ... You're going to get this exact same dialog box as me. That is, it's the exact same. Why am I going back to Easter eggs? Stop that. Okay, I'm going to go into Documents, into Photoshop. Where's my Photoshop? There it is. And I'm going to make a new folder called Creative Crops, because we're going to learn about creative crops, and we're going to learn about the strange pictures you can take. Oh yeah, and we might as well call this Creative Crop 01, and that's just fine. We're going to save out a JPEG into that folder. In it goes. Switch over to the Finder. I'm going to open up a new Finder window in case I blow this video and have to record it again. I don't want to have to get back to there. Inside my documents, inside my Photoshop folder, if I can actually read documents. Geez. Creative Crops, double click. It opens up in Photoshop. Fabulous. Creative Crop 01.jpg. Please, please, please don't move on until you've done this. I want this open in Photoshop because we're going to work from now on this picture of what looks like a dumpster and a weird fire hydrant sticking through a mesh. What the heck?